So today's question is already solved and it is medium question 1717 maximum score from removing substring. So in this question you have to just remove AB and BA, and for that we will have points X and Y, and after removing those like substring we'll get some points and we have to maximize those points. So uh, before getting into code, let me give you some logic and then we'll just go through this code. So in the question what we have is we have a string S, and let's take example number one, that is CD BC double B triple A BAB, and we have given X as 4 and Y as 5. So in this question what we have to do is that we have to just remove BA and AB so that we can achieve a maximum point, and the point given is that 5 and 4, and 5 is for BA and 4 is for AB. So for AB we will have X point, and for BA we will have Y point. So what we have to do here is that just we have to remove element, like if we consider a simple example like BA, if we remove AB from here we'll get point as 4. If we remove BA from here we'll get point as 5. So in this question we can simply do one thing, is that we'll just traverse the whole array, like if you given this CD BC double B double triple A BAB, then what we'll do is that just traverse the whole array, not array, a string, and we'll just find out the maximum point. Like if we have a maximum point in BA, then we'll just remove BA first. If we have a maximum point in AB, we'll just remove AB first. So here we can see that for BA we have a maximum point, so here we will just remove BA and we will left with CD BC BAAA BAB. So again we have BA, then again we'll just remove and we'll left with CD BC AA BAB. So here we can see that we don't have any AB or BA till there, and after that we'll just get AB here. So we'll not remove AB because we have to remove BA, because BA has a maximum point. So we'll just move forward and we'll just go through that, and we'll just remove BA and we will left with this A and B. So after all this, what we have done, we got all the maximum points by removing BA from here to here, and we're left with this, and we have to maximize the point. For that we have to use AB as well, because we will left with AB, so we'll use that. So that is the problem we have to solve. So for this what we'll do, let me okay let me use the space. What I'll do is just let me consider again the example number one, CD C, not C, B C, and then double B triple A B A B. So what we'll do here is just we'll count A and B, and whenever we got any element like C or D or B or C or like that, whenever we are getting any element, we'll just check. If we are getting B, then we'll check that previously we have A or not. If we have A previously, so we can make AB, and for making AB we can't make AB without checking that we are getting maximum point or not. If X is greater than Y, then only we will use AB. If Y is greater than X, then we will use BA. So for that we'll just check, after traversing we'll check every element. Like if we are getting B, then check that count of A previously is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, that means we can use AB, and for using AB make sure to check that X is greater than Y. And after all this for A as well, the same process will happen. We'll check that previously we have B or not, so that we can make BA. And for making BA, we have to check this again also, like y is greater than x or not. And is in this manner we'll just proceed. And what happen when A is not there, B is not there, something C or D is there, then we'll just check. We'll uh, till that point we have used the maximum point for like BA and AB. So if AB is greater than, for point, if AB is greater than maximum point has been used using this algo. And for we will left with a simple like minimum points. We can use only minimum points there, because the maximum point is already used. So for using minimum point, we'll just use that. Like if we have a answer there, then in answer we'll just plus with like a minimum point in x and y, multiply with the count which is left from A and B. And here as well, what we have to do whenever we are using, like if we are getting B, then A will be used for AB. So if we are using AB, then we have to make count of A will be decreased. And if we are using BA, then B count of B will be decreased here. And if it is not happening, like all of this condition is not happening, then what we'll do is just increase the count of B, frequency of B, and here we'll just increase the count of A. So let's go to the code part. The code is simple. We don't have to do something like, if I have to code it again, let me do this. Like what we have to do is that just initialize n with s of size. And what we have to do is just take an, and so like it will be maximized. So first we have to 0, and then we have to count A and B. So count A and B will be there, and we'll just move like traverse in the whole string, and we'll check that if like the element we are getting is A, or we'll have like three conditions, like it is getting A, or if it is else if like it is getting B, or it is getting other. So we'll have three conditions, and in the first condition, if it is getting A, means we can check that if there, like we can make BA. And for making BA, what we have to do, we have to check that y is greater than x or not. And we have to also check another condition, that is count of B is already available or not. If it is not available, then how we can check that, how we can use B for making BA. And if we are using that, then B will be minus minus, and answer will be plus with y. Answer will be plus with y, because we have used BA. And if it is not there, then just because we are getting A, so count of A will be plus plus. And similarly we will do for the, if we are getting like same thing, do it, let me do it. If we are getting B, then what we'll do, just check x is greater or not than y. And A is not there, is available or not, like for making AB. If it is there, then A will be minus minus, and x will be plus here. And so, and here we'll just increase the count of B. And if it is not there, no A, no B, it is other than A and B, then what we'll use here is that in answer we'll just increase that which is the minimum, because we have used the maximum once here and here as well. So in here we'll just use the minimum, and minimum will be multiplied by the count of making AB pairs, like minimum of A and count of B. why we are doing that? Because if let me talk about an example. Like if you have been a b a, then we can make only like one pair, because minimum of both alphabets A and B, like letters, we have a B as a minimum, and we can make only one pair with that, so we are using minimum of count. So this will be done, and after that we'll just do count of A equals to 0 and count of B equals to 0, because we have used that, and we have used that in answer for maximizing that, and that will be your answer. So it will be return answer. And I think I am missing another thing, is that we have to check, like we are if count of A is greater than A, or if count of B is greater than 0, means again if we are left with something, then we'll just do again this, and that will be our answer. Let me check it if it is getting correct or not. It will be correct. If it is not, something running. What is the error? Can't represent int overflow. Okay, count of A I have to initialize with 0. If it is not initialized, then garbage value will be stored and will be getting error. So it is accepted, and let me submit it, it will be accepted. So that is how we can write the code as well, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video.